Good day and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's quick pattern is called the Pansy flower. So this is the one that I added detail to. And this one I left just like this without any of the black detail on. This is a perfect project for any scrap yarn that you have lying around. You will require a crochet hook of the appropriate size, your different color yarn, a tapestry needle threaded with black or whatever colors you'll decide to use. You are going to start this project. Let me just move this a bit up, out of the way, by making a chain of 8. To make your chain, you will need to make a slip knot. So before we go any further, I'd like to take this opportunity and invite you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. This channel is updated regularly with free patterns and tutorials. If you try a pattern, please tag me in your video. Let me have a look at what you're doing. Leave me a comment, like this video so that the algorithm can post it more. Most importantly, enjoy crocheting. So start by making a slip knot. Then you're going to chain 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you have your 8 chain, slip stitch to form a ring. I want to work in this tail also. But first, chain 1 and make 12 single crochets into this ring, and at the same time work your tail away. That's my 12. I've worked my tail in there, using my scissors to cut the last bit of it off. Slip stitch into the first stitch that you made to close. Now, work 4 chain and skip 2 stitches. 1, 2, into the next chain, single crochet. Work 4 chain, skip 2, 1, 2, into the third one, 1 single crochet. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2, into the third one, 1 single crochet. Chain 5. And skip 2. 1, 2, and single crochet. That is your round 2. And you will finish round 2 by making a chain 5. And you're going to slip stitch directly across. So into the single crochet. So not this single crochet, but this one right here, where you started your 5 chain. Single crochet into that. Single crochet across. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. So now it looks like this. You have on the side chain 5, chain 5, chain 4 and chain 4, and this is where you initially started. You're going to take your second color, which I am going to be using white. So it's up to you how you join your yarn. I'm just going to make a slip slip knot, and you're going to join this to the initial 4 chain that you started with. You will make 4 chain, and now I'm going to work the tail part in. Make 7 double crochets into this 4 chain space. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the second chain space, work 8 double crochets. So the second 4 chain space, you're going to make 8 double crochets, please. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 3. So this is what you have. And turn your work. 1 double crochet into the same space. And now 2 double crochets in each stitch across. When you get to the end of this row, you will have a total of 16 double crochets. I should say when you get to the end of your 8 double crochets, please, you will have a total of 16 double crochets. In between each of the previous rows 8 double crochet, you're going to make 1/2 a double crochet in between them. Now let's move to these 8. Into the very first one, you're going to slip stitch. Chain 3. 1 DC into the same, or double crochet into the same space. And now you're going to work 2 double crochet in each stitch. When you get to the end of these 8 right here, you will have a total of 16 on top of these 8 double crochets. Once you're at the end, chain 1, cut your yarn. You can either use a darning needle or a smaller size crochet hook to hide your tails away. The choice is yours, but I'm just going to quickly hide these away quickly. This is a perfect applique. You can use it on a beanie. Just going to quickly hide this one also. Just remember to go a few rows down or 1 row down and just take your stitches a bit through. This is the back of my work that I'm hiding in. If you're using a darning needle, you can do the exact same thing. I'm just snipping that piece off. So, as you can see from this, we've done the back of it. Now we're going to do the flower piece. Again, you're going to make a slip knot, or however you are joining, the choice is yours. but you're going to join it to where you have your 5 chain. So not the one across, but the one on your right. Once you join it there, chain 4. Now you're going to work 9 double crochets in your 5 chain space. At the same time, work your tail away. I've made my 9 double crochet. Now make 3 chain and single crochet into the exact same space that you made your 9 double crochet. Now you're going to work in the next 5 chain space. You will single crochet into that space, make 3 chain and 10 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to make, this is the 10th one. Again, 3 chain and single crochet into the exact same space. So now you've got the center piece left here. So let's do that center. You're going to single crochet into your 5 chain space and you're going to make 10 double, you're going to make 3 chain and 10 double crochet. Once you've worked your 10 double crochets, chain 3, single crochet into the exact same spot. You will make 1 single crochet into the next space. And slip stitch into the first chain 1 space that you made. Pull your loop, cut your yarn. Now we're going to hide this tail so that you don't see it. You can also use a darning needle to hide your tail. And here we have it. All nicely done. So this is your flower. Should you wish to add these details, the only thing you're going to do is thread some black, or whatever color you decide to use, and go into the bottom, about there. Make sure you do it a bit in a stitch. Oops, I pulled that right out. Let's do that again. And go through the top part of a stitch, of an actual stitch, please. And that's how you make the little markings. You can make as many as you want to per a petal. That is your choice. Don't pull too tight and neither too loose. You can also use embroidery cotton and do this. And you will continue until you come to the very end, or as much as you want, detail as you want to add. I'm actually not going to be adding detail to this purple one here. because I want to use it on something else that is black. So I don't want any of the black detail on it. But that's just basically how you add your detail. And this is your flower. Let me know which one you like, which is your favorite. And have a great day. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out.